Hello, this is me. I finally got a pack of Sweet Shot. I'm very happy about it. So let's see what I get. Really nice looking tin. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Alright, we got a base card of Brad Richards, a base card of Jordan Staal, ooh, a nice redemption card for Mike Modano, signature saves, ooh, that's a nice card. And then we got a triple jersey of, who is it? Guy Lafleur. And another triple jersey of Matt Sumbe. Alright, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you